Isuzu Philippines recently turned over 7 units of D-Max RZ4E and 1 unit of QKR tilt can and chassis to Solid Trend Trade Sales Incorporated of the Excel Trend group of companies at the Maxxis tire office in Parañaque.
Solid Trend has been our reliable partner for their vehicle requirements since 2010, and we've already supplied them by more or less about 50 units already. Solid Trend does business in terms of distributorship of tires and lubricants. They operate all over the Philippines.
For their part, Solid Trend says they trust Isuzu in providing them quality and fuel-efficient vehicles.
We chose Isuzu because we believe in a product that gives out durability and at the same time fuel efficiency. This gives us better performance and we cut costs in operation.
The units that have been turned over by Isuzu will be mobilized to some areas of Luzon and Mindanao.
It will be used by our field sales managers, regional managers, where sometimes we do a lot of field work and at the same time we carry some sample tires that Isuzu can handle.